Welcome to another episode of Riding and Wrenching. I am your host, Q the Rider. And in today's episode, I'm back in the garage because I have nothing else to do. I have the COVID. So I'm stuck in the house for a few days. I'll tell you real quickly that this second bout of COVID that I've had, it's kind of like a mild cold. It's the best way to describe it. I have a headache. And I was really congested the first couple of days, but now I'm feeling a lot better. So I'm in the garage tinkering around on the bike. So this video is not about COVID, it's about the bike. And in particular, my aftermarket mirrors that I bought from Amazon. Sorry, Shane. Anyway, I bought these from Amazon a while ago. And actually, this right mirror is very loose. This is virtually worthless. So I was trying to figure out how to tighten this thing up. Didn't know what to do with it. And I did find another video on YouTube. And it recommended using a heat gun to heat the mirror because it's held in place by little glue strips and the mirror pops right off. So I'm going to show you how I did that real quickly. All right, so I'm going to have my heat gun and a small screwdriver just to help pry it out, but you really don't need it. But anyway, you just heat the mirror up. Doesn't take much. And then you can just kind of pop the mirror right out. And as you can see on the back, there's little glue strips back here. And once you heat them up, they're easily removable. So once you take that off, this is where your mirror is attached. And there's on these particular mirrors, there's 3 screws. And if I had a screwdriver, all right, so you have these 3 screws here. So you just tighten them up. You don't want to over tighten it because you still need to be able to adjust the mirror a little bit. You just need it to be stiff. Yeah, that's much better. Oh yeah, and that's it. Now to reinstall the mirror, you're going to do the reverse, just heat it up a little bit and stick it back up there and we are in business. Oh. Ouch. Oops. Voila, problem solved. Nice stiff mirror. All right, that's all I got. Just thought I would share that real quick because I'm super excited about having a mirror that actually works again. So this is Q. I'm riding. Well, I'm not riding. I've got COVID and I'm wrenching and I'm stuck in the house for 5 days. And